I'm going to teach you how to create a professional flyer in Canva on your phone. By the end, you'll have a polished design ready to share online or print out, all from the app. Start by opening the Canva app. On the home screen, tap Create a Design, then type Flyer in the search bar. You'll see standard flyer sizes like A4 or letter, which are great for printing, as well as formats suited for social sharing. Pick the one that fits your needs. You can start from a blank canvas if you want full control, or choose a template to speed things up. If you go with a template, browse the options and select one that matches your theme: business, event, sale, anything. Templates are 100% customizable, so you're just getting a layout head start. Once it opens on your canvas, you're ready to personalize it. Tap any text box to edit the wording. Replace the placeholder text with your title, a short subtitle, and key details like date, time, location, or a call to action. Keep your headline short and bold so it stands out, and aim for clear, concise information. If the text feels cramped, adjust line spacing or reduce the number of words rather than shrinking the font too small. To add images or icons, tap the plus button. Choose Photos to search Canva's library, Uploads to bring in your own images or logos, or Elements to find icons and stickers. Search with specific keywords like music, food, or arrows, and tap to add. Place logos where they're visible but not overpowering, and choose high-quality images for a professional result. Now customize the look. Select any text to change the font, color, or size. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 fonts for a clean hierarchy. For backgrounds or shapes, pick colors that align with your brand or event theme, and prioritize contrast so text is readable against the background. Arrange everything until it feels balanced. Tap Elements to move, resize, or rotate them, and watch for Canva's alignment guides to keep spacing consistent. Leave some breathing room around the edges so nothing feels crowded. When you're happy, preview the design. If you've used animations, tap Play or Preview to see them in motion. Zoom out and check that the layout and text are readable at a glance. If not, tweak font sizes or contrast. Finally, tap Share, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG for digital use, or PDF for printing. Save it to your device, and you're done. That's your flyer, ready to share with the world.